Hello guys, what's up? This is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to open a desktop mode on your Safari browser from your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Safari browser. I'm going to my app library and open Safari browser. Then here I'm searching Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera. Open Al Jazeera website. Then URL bar, you can see two things. One is your URL, here one URL. Another one thing, left side you have seen small size capital A and big size capital A here. Tap on it. Right now open some option here. I'm clicking here request desktop website. Loading now, request desktop website. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question, drop them in the comment section. See you next time.